So here I've got the Ryobi Airstrike battery powered cordless 18 gauge brad nailer. I'm going to show you how to use the contact actuation mode. So you've got two different types of modes here. It's indicated by this switch here underneath the trigger. It looks like a couple different nails here. So there's 3 different nails on one setting. You slide it over and then there's just one nail. So that's for a single contact. So when you're just wanting to do one nail at a time. But you can also do contact actuation where you hold the trigger and then every time you make contact, it'll drive a nail as well. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So flip the switch to where the 3 nails are showing the multiple nails. And then you're going to just make contact here. So you want to drive it in, get the light on, drive your first one, and then you can just keep going. So it'll go on like that as long as it has batteries and nails, and then you can just keep plugging away there. So depending on the job, you might need to go a little bit faster. So that's how you use that different setting there. And then again, remember, you've got this different dial here to adjust the nail setting. So how far or deep you want to drive it, you can adjust that. So get the perfect depth there depending on the material, the hardness of it. You can adjust this and that will allow you to get that nail in the perfect amount. So I also have another video that goes into more depth about how to use the machine, load it with nails, and a little quick overview. I'll link to that as well. So there you go. That is the Airstrike Ryobi battery powered nail driver. My name is Drew. If you like DIY around the house stuff, please feel free to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.